Hey, it's Keto Granny, and I just wanted to check in to see how everyone is doing on their keto diets. I want to know, are you maintaining? Are you in your fat adaptive stage? Are you losing weight? Are you getting healthier? Are you reaching your goals and just feeling as good as you can? If you're doing all of these things, then you're doing it. You're doing it. And to all the women and all the men or anyone who's doing it, congratulations. Because it's very, very hard. It's very hard to start getting fit and getting in shape. It's very hard just to start feeling good sometime. You have to really be committed and dedicated. You have to be committed 100%, especially if you're doing the keto diet. A lot of people think that this is hard to do, but it is not hard to do. If you set your mind to it, you can do it. And those who are doing it and you're making progress and you're losing weight, you're feeling good, looking good, congratulations to you. Because I know that you're working hard to get where you're at, and it takes a lot of work. I just wanted to come on here and say congratulations and give you some encouragement to keep going. I have lost almost 20 pounds since January, and I am still doing the ketogenic diet. I just want to say to y'all who are doing it, keep on doing it. You can do this. This is not as hard as some people think that it is. You just got to put your mind to it. Put your mind to it and do it. Find you a keto grocery list. Circle foods on there that you already eat, and then maybe add in a couple more. You'd be surprised how close you probably eat to keto already. You just have to start dropping out all the sugar, all the pasta, the grains, and all that extra stuff that's no good for you. You want to start taking all of that stuff out of your diet. Those are things that you can live without. You can live without these things to eat. And then if you need to replace them, you can replace them later with sugar-free recipes. There are a lot of things that you can do to be successful on this ketogenic journey. And I just want to say welcome. I want to say if you're on this journey, I just want to say we're on this journey together. Let's keep encouraging one another. Keep encouraging one another. If you have any comments, just put them below. Where are you at on your journey? When did you start your journey? How long have you been on your weight loss journey? And how many pounds have you lost to date? Post that below. Let's give each other some encouragement. And this is Keto Granny saying, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Share it with someone just to give them a little bit of encouragement, to let them know that if they're doing this diet and they're getting healthier, they're feeling good, they have less inflammation in their body. You're remembering more. You're more focused. You're losing weight. Whatever your goals are, if you're reaching them, I want to say congratulations to you and keep on going.